Hey, how y'all doing? So we're gonna go over this Euro USD trade from today. It was a red trade for me, so we're gonna break it down, get into it, see what we could have done better on it possibly. So Euro USD daily market structure. Daily market structure on Euro USD at the current moment is 100% bullish. Okay, it's operating within a bullish market structure, consistently putting in higher lows, consistently trending higher. So it's looking really strong. So that's all we had to do on the daily chart. The 4-hour chart, this is where I had my higher time frame level. Right here we have a 4-hour bullish order block. Now I'm still bullish on Euro USD. So I had a long on this and I took the L on the long, and I'm still bullish, and I probably bailed at the bottom, to be honest, because now it's taking out these sell stops. It's tapping into that bullish, backing down into that bullish imbalance. So I am still bullish on this. I think it was just a matter of mistiming it on my part, but that was the reason for entering, was that 4-hour bullish order block. Now, one thing to note here that has been a common occurrence in a few of my losses, and I'm tracking this. I'm tracking this occurrence that I'm noticing, and if I keep seeing this occurrence over a long period of trades in my data, then I may have to just hold off from doing this from this point forward, just like I did on Mondays. And I saw the vast majority of my L's were on Mondays. If I start seeing a lot of L's with this particular detail, then I may have to reconsider. So what is that detail that I'm talking about? The 4-hour bullish order block was the level, but we didn't have a reaction off of it. That was what we're missing. We came down into it, and then I bought on the retracement lower, because we did have a fair value gap confirmation. See this? We had that fair value gap confirmation this morning, and it did tap up to it, and it came up and attacked that buy side. So we had the higher time frame level, we had the fair value gap confirmation, but we didn't have the reaction. So what a reaction would be like, it would come down into the level, and then we'd have a lower time frame shift in market structure. With this being the case, and the reason why I didn't wait for that was because the lower time frame market structure was already bullish. We had a higher time frame level, lower time frame market structure was bullish, but I didn't. So whenever I have that criteria where I have both of my higher time frame and lower time frame market structures both aligned, I don't wait for the lower time frame confirmation. I just enter because it's already good. Well, and I already know, like, it's best to have the lower time frame reaction, no doubt about it. It's best to have the lower time frame reaction, okay? But I still consider trades even when it doesn't have it. Now, right now it's still okay. I haven't taken enough L's not waiting for the lower time frame reaction at this point to really, consider changing up anything. But if I start to see it's a common pattern, and I'm seeing overwhelmingly more L's than wins, not waiting for the lower time frame reaction, then just like I did with Mondays, and I cut Mondays out of my plan, that'll be something else I do as well. Because I knew right away what I did wrong on the play, or I knew right away what went wrong on the play and what I could have done better on it. And getting into the play, to be honest, I kind of had a bad gut feeling about the play. It's like, I don't like this thing. Look at how overextended it is. We just attacked these buy stops right here. We attacked buy stops up here, and now it's probably gonna want to attack this lower sell side. I had those thoughts going through my head, but then what I said to myself was, hey, Mike, this is your setup. Take your setup. It's a part of your plan. It's a part of your rules. And I did. And I'm happy with that. I'm happy with how I executed. I followed my plan. I know what went wrong in the play. It's basically what I'm getting at. And it's something I'm going to put in my data, and I'm going to keep track of this. I'm going to keep track of how often these setups fail whenever I don't have the lower time frame reaction off the higher time frame level. But yeah, so my PT on it though, because I grabbed it as it was coming down, like right here. This is actually where I entered. I grabbed it when it was taking these sell stops right here, those 15-minute sell stops. And we did have a nice rally, and it didn't attack these buy stops, and that was the end of it. But my full PT on it was half day, and my stop was beneath the low of day. So yeah, overall though, it is bullish. I do think it's just a matter of mistiming the play. So I'm bullish until proven otherwise. But that is one thing to note on the play.